Manufacturing is the backbone of modern economies. Over the years, we've seen this industry transform into a highly sophisticated, technology-driven operation. And more recently, we've seen an acceleration with the implementation of generative AI as it revolutionizes the manufacturing industry, helping manufacturers tackle numerous challenges. This transformation spans a wide range of activities, including production planning and design, assembly, supply chain management, and even customer service. Let's jump in and examine the pivotal contributions of generative AI in some of these areas. Generative AI helps manufacturers to optimize and innovate their design processes. By inputting the specific parameters, AI quickly generates multiple design alternatives. This capability accelerates the design phase and produces solutions that traditional methods may miss. Additionally, AI identifies potential design flaws early in the process, significantly reducing the need for physical prototypes. This proactive approach minimizes costs, shortens development cycles, and enables the creation of high-performing, customized products. Generative AI is transforming maintenance and quality assurance by using real-time data from IoT-enabled sensors and machinery. Predictive maintenance algorithms spot signs of wear and potential failures early, allowing for timely fixes that cut down on unplanned downtime and maintenance costs. In quality control, AI detects production anomalies, making sure defects are caught and rectified in real time. This ensures consistent product quality, higher customer satisfaction, and improved operational efficiency. In supply chain operations, generative AI enhances demand forecasting and inventory management by analyzing vast amounts of data from various sources. This ensures optimal resource allocation, minimizes overproduction, and prevents stock shortages. The result is a leaner, more responsive supply chain that reduces waste and adapts seamlessly to market changes. The integration of AI in manufacturing environments introduces new cybersecurity challenges. Generative AI addresses these concerns by continuously monitoring systems for vulnerabilities and anomalies. By spotting security risk early, it helps protect sensitive production data and ensures compliance with global data protection regulations like GDPR. AI designs must align with the brand's voice and values. For instance, a minimalist fashion brand needs AI to create simple designs, avoiding anything too complex that might confuse customers. Moreover, generative AI relies heavily on production data, so manufacturers must adhere to strict privacy standards to protect customer information. While AI enhances efficiency, it is crucial to maintain human oversight and empathy in customer interactions to maintain trust and authenticity. For instance, an AI customer service chatbot can handle routine inquiries quickly, but for more complex or sensitive issues, human agents should step in. This way, customers feel heard and valued, maintaining a personal touch that AI alone cannot provide. Dell Technologies is leading the way in enabling the manufacturing sector to harness the power of generative AI. Through initiatives like the Dell AI Factory, a collaboration with NVIDIA, Dell offers cutting-edge infrastructure, software, and services designed to accelerate AI-driven innovation in manufacturing. The Dell AI Factory offers manufacturers ready-made AI frameworks and expert technical support, making AI adoption simpler, easier, and cheaper. By streamlining model training and deployment, it helps manufacturers achieve faster, more accurate production outcomes, deliver personalized customer experiences, and improve operational efficiency. Dell Technologies ensures the ethical use of AI by making AI-generated designs fair, transparent, and accountable. To protect sensitive production data against data breaches and cyber threats, Dell uses robust data encryption, strict access controls, and regular security audits. By partnering with leading technology providers, Dell simplifies AI integration, allowing manufacturers to focus on strategic growth instead of technical challenges. In an era where agility and innovation define success, generative AI, powered by leaders like Dell Technologies, is not just a competitive advantage, but a strategic imperative for the manufacturing industry.